Welcome back to Abyssale 101. Today, I'll show you how to configure and manage your team members in Abyssale, a feature that helps keep your creative projects organized as your team grows. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your workspace settings. Look at the left sidebar menu and click on Workspace Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Manage Members. This takes you to the team management interface. Notice how the screen is divided into two main sections. At the top, you'll see your different teams. Below, you'll find all members present in your workspace. To add a new member to your workspace, simply click the Invite New Member button in the top right corner. A dialog box appears where you'll enter the email address of the new member and define their role in the organization. Managing roles and permissions is essential for maintaining proper control over your creative workflow. In Abyssale, you can assign different roles based on each user's needs. For example, your designers might need full access to the design editor. Your marketers might need to generate variations but not modify designs. External clients might only need to view and approve final designs. Pro tip: check out our Help Center article on roles and permissions. You'll find the link in the description below. It's perfect to share with new team members so they understand exactly what they can access from day one. To change a teammate's role, click the drop-down menu next to their name in the Roles column and select the appropriate role based on the desired access level. If a member leaves your organization or no longer needs access to your workspace, you can easily revoke their access. Just click the three dots next to the member's name, then select Revoke Access. In Abyssale 3.0, we've introduced the concept of teams. Creating teams allows you to invite and grant access to specific groups of members without having to invite them individually. To create a team, simply click Create Team. A dialog box appears where you'll enter the name of your new team. You can also select a color to visually identify this team in the interface, making it easier to spot at a glance. Once you've created teams, you can assign members to one or multiple teams simultaneously, since a member can belong to several teams at once. A question we often hear is, can I move members between teams? Yes, you can. Members can belong to multiple teams, and you can easily update their team assignments at any time without removing and re-adding them. If a team member mentions they can't access certain features, checking their role assignment here is your first troubleshooting step. And there you have it. You now know how to manage your team structure in Abyssale. Thanks to team management, you can now invite entire departments directly to a project, streamlining your creative production process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Abyssale tutorials that will help you free up your creativity and save time on repetitive tasks. See you soon for another tutorial.